Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play the very popular hymn, Amazing Grace. In one of my previous videos, I taught you how to play this song in G major, which is the most popular chord to play this song in, but I thought in case this chord is a little bit too low or too high for you, I thought I'd show you how to play just a 3-chord version of Amazing Grace in the key of C major. And I'll follow this video and show you how to play Amazing Grace in the key of D major. So I'll just put all these ways to play Amazing Grace in my playlist on how to play Amazing Grace. So in my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs that you can download the lyrics and chord sheet to this song as we learn it together. So let's get started. Okay, the chords used to play this song is C major, F major, and G major. Okay, just a quick review on how to play these chords. C major is played by placing finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, then skip a string, place finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, then stretch your 3rd finger onto the string number 5 of the 3rd fret, strum all strings but this top E string, C major. Okay, to play F major, and it could be a little bit difficult for beginners, you want to bar strings 1 and 2 with finger number 1. Just press both strings down together, then place finger number 2 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then stretch your 3rd finger to string number 4 of the 3rd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. F major. Okay, and then G major. To play G major, you place finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on string number 6 on the 3rd fret, and then your little finger, finger number 4 on the very 1st string of fret number 3, strum all strings. G major. Okay. All right. The time signature on this song is 3/4 time, so there's 3 beats per every measure. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm just going to be strumming a simple down-up pattern. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so let's look at the first verse. Starting off with the C. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. So let's do that one more time, and I'll sing the last verse of that. Okay? When we've been there 10,000 years, shining as the sun, we've no less days to sing. And when we first begun simple arrangement. And again, be sure and check my playlist on how to play Amazing Grace. I'll show you how to play it in the key of G major, and then C major, and then another video on D major. And then I'll also have a video on how to play the melody of this song using individual solo notes. So check those out. If you enjoyed this video, be sure and click the thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it very much. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation, just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found. I thank all my current subscribers as well. So have a great day. God bless you.